So,
Hey Richard, how are you?
I'm good. Tell me, how fast were you going when you were stopped?
I didn't get stopped.
Huh?
I didn't get
I
stopped.
thought you were in the middle of the 3 stopped cars.
No. The other SLR, the guy from Dubai.
Wasn't
Yeah.
you. You're not the guilty man.
Nope.
No, you're sure about that?
I am 100%
Where have you
sure.
been all this time then?
We stopped when we saw Max being stopped.
Uh-huh.
And then, we all left together. What I think we should have done is drive the speed limit in all 3 lanes and block the highway all the way to Orlando. Let those son of a bitches learn that, you can't drive the speed limit. See how would they like that?
A bit late now though, isn't it? Why didn't you get out there and do it?
Well, I did. I was driving 55 miles an hour on the highway.
Okay.
And
I just kind of ignored it and just carried on here.
Yeah, I sent a message. I said, let's get back at the police by driving on three lanes, the speed limit.
Shame.
So-
Would have been good.
Would have been good. Then we would have blocked the police too.
Exactly.
They pissed me off. I mean, they're stopping. Do you see the people flying by us, going 80, 85, 90 miles an hour, but they are targeting those cars. They kept, because I was going 55 miles an hour, I can see them.
Yeah.
They come extremely fast and then they pull on the right and they just point their guns on the gumball.
Yeah, it's true.
Unbelievable.
So you're a little bit pissed, are you?
I am pissed.
Yeah?
When I
We
go
from
to
Dubai, pissed.
How are ya?
But we're here, almost 5 miles to go.
I know.
What have you got? Final comment.
Final comment says, I don't want police escort, I'm gonna take off from Miami going at least 140 miles an hour.
Cool.
On an airplane, of course.
See you later.
Well, I can.
No